In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create custom view in Zoho projects. Begin by opening Zoho projects and going into the project where you want this custom view to live. From the left side navigation, go to Tasks. This is the area where your task lists and task details are managed, and it is also where custom views are typically accessed and used for filtering and organizing work. Once you are on the Tasks page, look near the top area of the task list for the highlighted option that opens the view controls. This is the entry point to managing how tasks are displayed, including which fields are shown, how items are grouped, and what filters are applied. Select that highlighted option to continue. Next, move into the Settings area by clicking Customization. This section is where Zoho Projects lets you tailor the system to match your team's workflow. Custom views often depend on the way modules and fields are structured, so it is important to be in the right configuration area before you make changes. Inside Customization, click Layouts. Layouts control the structure of your forms and records, and they directly affect what information can appear in task lists and views. If you ever notice that a field is missing from a view option, it is usually because of how the layout is configured. From Layouts, click Fields. This takes you to the configuration for task fields, where you can review which fields exist and how they behave. Paying attention here helps ensure your custom view can surface the details you care about, like status, owner, due date, or any custom fields your team uses. After that, click Layout Rules. Layout rules help you define how fields show up under different conditions. Even if you are not changing rules right now, this section is part of the path used when refining how task information is presented and controlled across the project. Finally, click Task Templates. Templates help standardize tasks so that the same structure and field setup are reused consistently. Keeping templates aligned with your layouts and fields makes your custom views more reliable, because the data stays consistent from task to task. Take a moment to review your settings as you go, and make sure you are working in the correct project and task module. That covers everything you need to know.